AGC, your extended reality experts, proudly present XR Toolbox. XR Toolbox is a holographic app that guides you in a step-by-step procedure. With our holographic procedure functionality, you can learn at your own pace with holographic instructions. You will be guided step by step with images, videos, 3D objects, and animations. Thanks to immersive 3D effects, our procedures provide a deeper understanding of your content than traditional video or even in-person training. With XR Toolbox, you learn faster in extended reality, so you can return sooner to what matters most in your real world. Your management team will also appreciate our reporting system that tracks your progress in real time. XR Toolbox is the only true mixed reality alternative to Microsoft Guides. You can now transfer your procedures onto XR Toolbox and keep using them on any Windows or Android device. Call us today to discover how we can unlock the full potential of your XR project.